This 2018 Glaval Primetime FURY 2910 is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, 73127 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Oklahoma City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Glaval is 34 feet 6 inches in length and features sleeps 6, microwave, refrigerator, oven, air conditioning, carbon monoxide detector, Slideout, LP detector, smoke detector, leveling jacks, water heater, and 78 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features front bedroom, mid-kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2018 Glaval Primetime FURY 2910 is 7,262 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.